going to invest into this station? No, we are collapsing. That is why we are going to this IMF. Ghana tetia consign. Ghana need future. The youth are suffering. It's in our IMF. So if you come and tell me, say we are not going to IMF because Yenji, hey, what are you telling me? Yaya mobo, and now go for you. I said no bobo. Yaya mobo Ghana. Yaya mobo. This man makes them feel like Mama was the worst. Looking at he was the worst. He economically Ghana was doing nothing. Like we were not doing anything. In fact, the shrink got more money. And they told us, you're being independent, they told us that Ghana beyond aid. See, it is not even on the tabletop. Yeah. Now so table now yet. You have a severe Bianana Mai. Now when great Bianani had a severe, you're dream pussy at the Bemayana. I had to say, Papa on in the Batua. What shed the bunny boss on this or that? Say three things. So yeah, I've said the first one. IMF no more common. Think it's a very release. Say my at the end the wakopo and a juju normal. What I say? Okay. But these people will go in. A beside west. Let me go what I say. A better west. We will still be in the situation we are in, and the youth, lot of youth, will be arrested. Unnecessary issues, they will rise. And I saw the president thirdly being arrested, but our Ghana Mrem say I for the intimate. So being spiritual, you know, the youth will rise against this government.
Me wa kwa ba Xposed GH so munua be ma na ye bo anene de minimum edition nim say edition si ma na me de ensem ana na me nsem afimi here because my busy kakra want to be enti na ma me channel so I do na we am ba de na ya ba afi so no me jam ho no afi ye betue mu saa tue mu da saa na pen forecast bi say unsa ehye mu aye ndinja wa na say unsa waduane ni ma there is no way be de agya ne dey say ye fuba na so aye den wa fu bi na no nsem bi because wo man Ghana ngi say Ghana mu aye din ye papa ebi mu hye mu nkom bebre say na afi mu na den me brother bi kura so hye mu nkom na nim say oman mu aye din ye papa ye hwe NDC time a oman ni mu ye den no a former president Jomama ka say ne na de ohiamwa efi IMF ni say IMF de onya ti omini pe na loan na ba wotrim IMF ni World Bank onya ti sadi na so man no e di dwantoa ana to mo papa jilu na we susu de enim say na nado ebra Jomama tu sa na morning time no MPP fo ni Ghana mu afo bebre na MPP fo ni di mu akoti bebre na de betu jana NDC for na Jomama ye incompetent omo ye lazy government say nsem de endorse ye kasi ye ka emu abro nye emu te say MPP ko na mu jijine mu etwa papa ye papa na no Ghana no bebi Ghana edu sesi a no ye show boy na adu show boy president ekufu adu amofe say onu so bebi o man na du no so kodom sa IMF we kwaje mboa de beboa o man no nim say sa kwa okwa yin susu no e din say bebre ba bi mu ka say e de ban sa dia free SHS ye betwem yi levy ye betwem national cathedral ye betwem no kura wo sem mai eno so yes ye betwem say nsem de doso we de ebusa say yes on beko ana say yes omunko honorable Kennedy so de nisa betu ja say na do tu sa na mo we ya ene na automatically no 2024 about to announce 2024 about to ekwakotu onu wa handle baton mu dia ma NDC ku so to say na mo automatically wa handle dia mo na say mu te say hu kra hia say on be stand for presidency 2024 na men kasa bebre ni mo nua be ma lamho elekem amega e wo yentemu anu say amni ni be twetwe nkomo enti ma mentwa mo bra sisia
Dofo for dear no how a dear no adwin dear no kodan na edan e na wasie wie e na wo penchensin papa e de aboso anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam ne true things ebie wo mo ensem e de amasa krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo ememe so wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubo sase wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo age wo mo atum ne true things ana wo mo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu de biara eda
for na me kai wo say adwumakuo bi na so ma say neat roofing say so wa ma no ne wo Ghana we see then you na pese wo mboso ene na for ni dan neat roofing no be hwa ma wo dan no so aye fefefefe bebi enu ana se bia wo boso dada na se bebi mpo enu a dan wo ma be hwe aye ma fefe from number wasi o na enu mo ending kita mo ye ko ye issue no so me mo akwa baba Xposed GH na mo bibi aboko die say so mind your team we
meeting pa kwade me go for
etu dem ba wa se dem ko issue no so wa o hwe Ghana ne si Ghana ko na den na betimi aka fa Ghana bikiti we bi afa Ghana
oh mine no the reality about some like we are not liking the country anymore obi any in Ghana and yeah kind of say o mine mu nya kra sikana nye se skeli o sikandi akodi nkofo bi mu se
akodi nkofo bi
yes oh sikandi akodi
that means say ebi mu di ya the so enjoy
yes. Like I was watching a video and one man was saying say anytime bia obi mu bibi ni se o sere bia na ne nyonko bi isu
wow
anytime bia obi mu se bibi ni sere bia na ne nyonko bi di arewo
wow
yes. You see, some people have gotten the privilege. The people in the opportunity be no more geometry. You understand? But today,
okay, waba there now say waba na hwefo so any damu e hwe ana se so ma so ha no mutie ye program no ebi na say Ghana sense no cause I my sense why hwe from JM time ebesi e and I hwe the way treatment ni se no cause we JM time I then so ye president na na do so say o the no e ko for ya so ko jim boy free IMF what na beti me ka sense
oh Akufo-Addo IMF no as any person who is an economics obi or politics no obi onim about governance any problem but Akufo-Addo ne betina I cannot mention names because but now Peace FM catch there ye papa German General say yet tisika so nso okom eden
and then I said sabi do there enya asema so put maka a video trend there.
Thank you. And this man Bawumia told us that I was in SHS now we're competent or incompetent me team that. So our economics teacher to one say you've heard that word that Bawumia ekikana or say mama incompetent what incompetent say I say yeah the amount now who knew who idea bia. That is what he called this man. But this same man in the block I was sitting in school, that block not e blocks maybe Kaneshi Senior High School no money be. This person was calling him incompetent.
Pacho, me person kasan be say you politics.
I'm not being political here.
Oh, okay.
I'm not being political here.
Right.
But the words that was said to the past government, you know, and we comment on me making.
Okay.
So what I say, the past issue na you cover the past government, you know, and I me person me making.
Okay.
This man makes that feel like Mama was the worst. Looking at he was the worst. He Bawumia I feeling say economically Ghana was doing nothing. Like we were not doing anything. In fact, the shrink got more money. And they told us, you're being independent, they told us that Ghana beyond aid. So thinking they can do everything on their own. And Memo Renfi, can you Japan can stand it? The only IMF part dear. They been see that. You understand? So why is it that Waba now IMF? And don't forget, these same people tell us, hey, I catch them and they will say, yeah, E11 because young person here call IMF.
Yeah.
What is the rundown now? They are making a
about person Musa say, yeah, share JM time, the reason why they call IMF, and another time, what they call IMF. Then I bet me a
oh, JM time there. Send your monkey can
I think say JM time. Is here, as I say, buy and the IMF for man, and I say, maybe I can say, in Sinjina one the car, low no more man. she say
na was so
and what say or create jobs my youth won say before I say me can say sika fra enyansafo ni and as a chede e fra enyansafo ni obi ma osika automatically sometimes if you want to do something to please the person and I say send every money pan so any and you also the only count they say allege and I say some cause say as some catch gens so make create jobs and teacher time na ejuma I say youth mu sheda ni ejuma that time like e pay ejuma nya na idea ye dey can loan mu say instruction ye dey can mu say abrante me yesi but we no so no ye share na that time na their boss see am no so and so mo ka say na na go for this loan and as almost sign this contract you lose SHS.
Well, okay.
SHS and there is cathedral Muswa Emmaso and no put there. I don't know say go and go phobia and so now like your man think to be account that policy in one na do be cancel those policy for loan no back project it mean person won't compare those JM time or the co IMF any na do time no.
Okay, and you wanna walk I never know say ebiana your ma GM call IMF no na ye kase money create jobs.
Yeah.
Ye be create it was alleged.
Yeah, alleged.
Me so me nim say me feel say any employment and say money because now I think say teachers training allowance, nursing training allowance, those college students allowance ne no manyo bia na ewo bia de kika teachers ho edwuma bia allowance bi ne say on teso. I don't think about say yeah employee because you acquire me. Say my bebo obusia say me nua gia. Me di ne so be ka say wo ma me wo fi money aduane ni. There was going to be employment but enyo me hu yin bi wo ha. Yes, it calm down and ohwemu a eno na this current government use as a campaign. Akufo do ba so me pa me teachers training allowance, me nursing training allowance and all these girls voted for him much. These people voted for him say Obade since all IMF in the Yamatoy. So what I say? So now a fear won't go for you say so also IMF they can't say they am say money that is the same thing is going to happen to him. But you see there's no problem this government going to IMF. I know I they kasa bragging rights are these people got. And then, my name say what here upon Kuma making statement.
Yeah. Say there is the thing when it comes to TikTok, but they don't have their perception. Say they will go to IMF and I say, IMF grant need on where you cry.
Let me make this funny comment. Oh, see, it is not even on the tabletop.
Yeah.
Now so table now here too. You have a survey of your name. Now when play your name, you have a survey. Yeah, dream posse you the better.
And now I think so also mentioned about the $5 billion US be said there is no way of IMF will belong to that $5 billion but almost some case no say omu hia bibisa
and no I just want to say it is alleged. Me say let me tell you something, if you can see there is one man in I don't know if he's in World Bank, one man he's advocating about what World Bank gave Ghana $938 million for this COVID this thing. Man na sheda ka sika e di maye o send signal bi se ko fo ye momu sika no ma se no COVID fund e dey COVID money I buy bra I'm like challenge Ghana kasa o kasa e mobo that no plus na on show I say I go for the di ehwamo we must say it COVID fund na nkofo ye say ye chiche sika nkofo obi mu ye adwuma no necessary funding and ye man nkofo we. Why are we going to IMF right now? And then Puma catch say we are not going for an aid, we are going for a loan. Yes, we know we are going for a loan. Who too is open me loan? No matter what say 1 million, one I will want you.
Yeah, one.
Me mama ya read the hospital 7. Now me here sika no obi amame a. Na me bomb channel so. Who bet mama me? But me din si who bet si one. In my mind, no, and yet just a loan, but one want me because one want me and come mama be. So if IMF does not come in now, our economy will collapse. We are not. And yes, once we be loan, some companies are going for some loan or company be more. So be company no loan. Ebia or person expanding the business name. And yes, the business is collapsing because me economics teacher catch them say And you say you could loan, not just a company ni collapse no because loan. Obi to me could loan just to expand the business, to invest into the business. Are we going to invest into this station? No, we are collapsing. That is why we are going to this IMF. Ghana tetia consign. Ghana need future. The youth are suffering. It's in our IMF. So if you come and tell me say we are not going to IMF because Yenji, hey, what are you telling me? Yaya mobo and na ku fado asem na bobo no. Yaya mobo wo Ghana, yaya mobo.
80% interest without IMF loan na ye kwaje. Ghana yentimi say kwajia M1.
Oh, ye kwajia ebeboa. Na COVID fund ye dey ma wo dey here den. Na IMF na be ko no be den. IMF can tell you not to do, but they don't tell you how to manage the money. Na go for the discount be mom, omo discount ma wo. Ya hye wo mra. Ubetumi dey aba o yes mama teachers training, ye mama yes. But say adechina ye the 1 billion scan dey buy the 1 billion for baby a. IMF dey no what you no. Say obetua the sika man na hunya no. Ye dey afford transaction obetua ye kan na hunya no. No matter what, because on colonize here. So we can't tell you say washe emranti.
Can we survive without IMF?
Right now I'm not sure say we can survive without.
So we need the loan.
We need it. But these people needing it. I was like, I had to say papa on in battle washe the bunny boss on this or that. No, like nipa na uka so or incompetent. Or call IMF. Build a housing project in Sagleme with 200 million euros. $200 million, be right. The incompetent person, the competent one, you came and went to collapse a passport office, state buildings, and building a cathedral. That you told that to start from 100 million and then on 350 million. Send then a special project, not say any foundation, I can't 2 years, no way free power. And the when Yanamudi had been should be this past government or the IMF. Or the IMF, he build hospitals. Or the IMF, he build schools. But you, what are you going to do?
So almost why free SHS.
Free?
Or no, IMF, why free SHS?
Uncle IMF. Free SHS, like the old time, not for the men come once. But men can't not police.
They can't also buy also.
Why NAPCO? I this month, I really suppose.
Wait to see E-levy or restore allowances, nurses allowances.
You are making it funny. But
no, it's not funny. It's not funny. They be who say we now watch there. They can say JM buy also after going IMF like in your mouth they must any time or buy no. But I'm just make sure say before buy no matter why they one also want to say why you will say nana or restore allowances near the bimunya ya ukwa so be kaya e bi mu video near the day nana do then this is for near the
maybe say me so
and I will introduce NAPCO omo building near the day NAPCO so ebu so am secretary and say money there o masema enti say so at least omo so ye bibi
e pacho akufo do so ye bibi
we introduce fee
chemi hospital work commission
and they meet me
to meet there's a juma. There's no job. Oko hospitals are mama see bushes. Bush. I don't know, schools. I am best baby down no kai say king chief be man comment me. Look at it. Comment make man.
That's the reason why I me say the among be sign I can say, your commissioners be say estimate on making for that building so this years come near the end. Sikada track that estimate and so no buying our bank city government no say or say and also allow that means or support your move. Aha, that's the thing. And I don't need the or no soon on you can say on signing and also allow say be but maybe only say can near back because me na here that buildings near that school so and they are poor man profit me baby at nation and they be money hospital I don't think can say big problem you can do it.
I want to make a comment.
Yeah.
Are we going to IMF with that $3 billion to to come and take almost about 250 million to come and build a cathedral. The IMF money.
I said cathedral, meaning say cathedral, almost you could change that.
Scan or I didn't build and starting cost.
Meaning say cathedral, scan.
Foundation penny, they pay a foundation as me to witness.
There's a foundation scan with JJS.
Now, you see, I offer your best subscribe almost $30 million or so. Like, what? Are we in a funny country or what? Me so many power. And oh yes, me so many power. What are you talking about? Even if today says I have a calling, but come on, we are not against the cathedral. We are not against. Me did this a Solomon Shen Yanko Pombo so busy there, man. Or catch a promo for say money na mo family amoy na me be so tax and they see building amanya. And we would have issue with Solomon. So what are you talking about? What are we talking about in this nation? Abroad sit up on I think Netus TV. And Oka says, oh, IMF. I said, wow, Yabu dam, yen to me, and share your own sweet. It's one black, no measure the economy to mine. So right now they are the same. You understand? We are not being political here, but the words they say for themselves, and they are banned. Whatever they say to us, and they are banned. What do you mean, youth and both? Let's make it point blank. The youth are very angry. Very, very angry. I'm telling you, it is not fun. And yet, idea that oh, IMF, we don't have a problem, but maybe E-levy. E-levy, maybe maybe share on mine. You do 3 months was a E-levy near the buyer. You not more 10% PTA, say a IMF. Go for you, say, I don't.
But we say E-levy, me. Those of that one there maintain as against tolls. There is no country without paying tolls. If you got developed countries, baby, now still your places are quite with your tolls.
Me patro you be 11 year kasi yi to buta.
I don't know about it.
Me man ko obi enu organ o ka say ye 11 ba ye bubu to but. Nobody said it. Yamfa before me see obi ye your organ na wa. Before be to but cry, it has to go to the parliament to confirm before, because it was an enacted law and send away you some money for. But then maybe 11 you didn't comment for buy a and you boo 11. I was saying road minister should be held accountable for that. So to me, yes, sir, the minister of the highways should be held accountable for that. It is not a joke. Should ever pass 11 and Nipa 138, I just have to baby. How did that law was passed? Yet your money, it is not funny anymore in this country. That means a man and come bimo. Say, Mary, Juma, baby. See, I'm telling you as a fact. If I Kufu do this government, I don't want to mention his name. I said, may tackle him personally, but he is the president. If this government knows something, Boris Johnson, more party here or UK. Nipa 2 now step it down now. Nipa 2 within a term. Within this terms, Nipa 2 now step it down. When the thing is going down rough, they sign their resignation. Why I'll see the party or join or resign. He's looking for it. One thing issue I say, Sri Lanka president is over resign.
I said a month ago, MP cars, youth PPM.
Yes, because the economy is collapsing. So who should the economy collapse here? I'm telling you, I go for the and nothing. Then yes, you can't won't be there. Just put up a pen. I'll resign.
Okay, yes, we na Honorable Kennedy. Eddie has sent back to Yakase. This government going for aid from IMF. And they said the only day can say 2024 about one, and I say we share automatically only share or a kind of position. Somebody share and this. What do you want to take on this?
Let me tell you something. I want to come from somewhere different. Mahama did not lose. Did not lose the 2016 election because he went to IMF. And yet Ghana for major problem.
Okay.
This teachers training allowance, and especially with my opinion and what I know, start doing so. Now Ghana for Sabre And obviously, it wasn't a miracle for him to break the 8. Because nobody do 8 years term.
Yeah.
So now a look obvious that this man has opportunity. And with what the campaign they have made, no, they have to come to power. And now they make an what you say. It can Japan statement that all make it say. Already no, IMF no more come. Omo di adina ma. Enya IMF na Akufo-Addo kon na Ghana de baton ne ema Mahama o. I'm telling you, and seminar or Kennedy abron nye Kojo Opon Kruma, other people were saying ebi mo kro mo ye mo wane chairman to me. You understand? Commenting in semo kika and the president himself. On say posterity was judging these people. Omo kan seminar na afidi o kan sem later ni akoyi ni old video thanks to social media. Ni akoyi old video ni dey about counterback. Say dey o kan ye ni. You understand? It is only the come for us to feel say yeah, Ghana won't say yeah crime if you to lose election that. Because Ghanaians have known say these people have lied to us. They have already known. And then IMF na omo kono. In some omo kikan what the things they said they would do. The economy wizard. Why they say mini they say wadani poster boy for them. Wadani poster boy. And they didn't. You understand? So enya no per se na all can and okay. But already no idea no IMF no plan no more can. Oma manaya they say they are 100% and they are better to abandon these people will be out of power.
That means they are cost na Ghana for
is enough.
Yeah, there's a IMF look competing and money cry.
And money is certified. I don't know what they will do again that
na ebusia for me come say any politics na ye ni mo your man my woman you say ye kana wan kebia o man ni bu a ebubo nso a otimu bi ye say ye okonfo a o weka say mfa me o man ni bu a o nso ye den o mu bi enti ni nsem say ne ba o say enso etimi ka ni ye hu ye gina bi ye hu they are next time mo na say about to do a eno no ko jusu a wo jusu yi ana say o nso make decision if you are going to make a decision, one would be wow, that. And now, some a baby. Sending me my Lamour, Elicam, Amegana, Mino. And you didn't the mood painful dinner.
I just want to make a statement.
Okay.
You see, make it this emphatic today. Yeah, I'm Coladi, we are Cola. I'll say I'm your board drawing. And listen, amazing this IMF, this government is going. This is a revelation myself, I had in a dream. And don't joke with your dreams. See, I saw this government going to IMF. That IMF that they are going, it will even be the worst. Not because being the worst than past government. Say no more dreams say they are going IMF near raise the economy. Okay. And no more beside thing. It will be very difficult. So the list of prices of stuff still going up.
Yeah, I can't remember say Michelle video be I think that was 2021 December, somewhere in December.
31st December.
That way Lucas says he rap a film one. That was also say he had a dream, right?
Oh yes.
Yeah, we say rap film one won't say prices of stuff going up. You remember your team or mine?
Even recently about this Mawako issue, I said about the food poison, a mass food poison. If everybody get a right to check on my name, Limo Elike Kwame Ameka, on my YouTube channel. Ube will say, I made this comment. And let me say, secondly, Uti, I saw a lot of youths who will be in prison. And your boys rough off. Oh, yeah, rough, I do them. I'm telling you.
They will say, from what you said earlier on, say the youth
yeah. Oh, yes.
Yeah. Now you to go from or my mobile after say we are not completed this IMF fish can say deal here. And so maybe I also will say and you might be the country will go through consequences.
And don't forget about this. This is I'm saying 3 things. So yeah, I've said the first one. IMF no more common. Thinking say be release it. Say my the wakopo and a juju normal. What I say.
Okay.
But these people will go a beside your west. Let me go what you say. A better west. we will still be in the situation we are in. And the youth, lot of youth will be arrested. Unnecessary issues, they will rise. And I saw the president, thirdly, being arrested. But our Ghana Mrem said, for the intimate. So being spiritually, the youth will rise against this government. It will come in soon. It will be coming. If I'm lying, or in the conversation, I've said this before. I just want to say, when your political issue, when your main regulation, but I've talked about this IMF issue. This government going to the IMF is not a problem to the nation, but they are a failed government. I say, oh, Papa, catch will say me back. Now, me person me share about minister me koji busuyama. I said, "That koji busuyama outside the question." This is what they are doing. Say me say mo say Muhammad Look at the funny comment that Chema to me Ashanti reading. Say the bet here biano Ashanti for. Ashanti for me ka say mo. Mo ka say mo tio. Say the tie biano. Ye beto aba mo. Into the class at not even an interchange. There is not one interchange they can boast for. In the second city, you see, a deep acreage. What are you talking about? These people are not taking Ashanti reading for granted. And look at what a minister said. Independence now, or something. Oh, there is a whole lot. Like we have to. I will say this near then. This IMF they are going, and yes, I'm why, but. These people, they have collapsed the country now 2 years later anymore. They want to damage us. I'm just telling you. And yes, schools near this can be. You didn't confirm fly flyer, also the other bar. Near man confirm fly flyer. But when did you? When you Onyeshi, and the idea more custom ye just sort, sir. It was that's how we have a cat will be see 8,000 housing projects. Nearly, I got 2 years.
It's one community, one now, one community, one fashion.
What will be when?
It was a place, already say we are a politics, you never know. And someone I had done a DDR chair as for exposed as for. Now, me come say, no one subscribing, no one like, no one said, no be so video. And then you have my Lamor, Elicum, American edition, and I have one new edition. Omega for our last final words to Jana. There was the mining can be a work this economy to say. The course one has a youth now airbound. And I said, the course we debate media about consequences in your ability, but like,
what I can say is, we don't vote because I come from this tribal ground and I come from this party. We are growing. The youth are being educated, and now for those who are for education. I hope some collab be could this school. In collab dream with play. Young two about biom because say when they are doing the campaign, listen to their demeanor. If the person, this party was hungry for power, don't vote for people who are hungry for power. Vote for people who are saying a manifesto that you are aware that this can be the possibility that we can receive. You understand? I am Sabeka. And my name yet to say, me free party way, and I'm free say, a trim, and we dear in fact, a trim, and Oko to about looking at the comment. They say, Uber to Uber, did you go to man, whatever they say. And to the one casa show us sitting never to Abapa when the coming next election. There's nothing we can do, even when we rise and go woo, or can say, woo be a made a catch up. Demonstrate yes, you bit my view. I'm telling you, the youth are really angry. We are all angry, but baby, but maybe go pass a woman my way. No, be into baby no D. Into one house wash your musuye. Then you say, Ukokumotin a very powerful. That's an able say, Minia. Macamasan.
Yeah, was your for Hannah, Yadim, ABC Hannah, Brave, my pine now. Yadim BC. Then I want a mini Lamore, it's not say if I didn't have one limo. Okay, sorry, limo, elegant, Kwame, American. Dino no. Now me can say subscribe, like in a share program we send a bit of so a bit movie. That's a name so you better share had to be
Oniadofo de ne wo haw de ne wo adwendwen de ne wo kodan na edan na wasie wie na wo penchensen papa de aboso anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwunu enunti ama won na akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam ne true things ebie wo mo ensem de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo so wo haw no ano emfa emaw enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na ene wo mo endi eye kasubo nsa se wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo agye wo mo atum ne true things ana wo mo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda